What if I told you that the most powerful force shaping your life is not fate, not luck, and not even hard work, but the voice inside your own mind? The conversations you have with yourself, silent, constant, and often unnoticed, are writing the script of your entire reality. If you want to change your life, you must first change the voice within. The habit everyone has, but no one notices. Every human walks with a second self, the one that speaks inside the mind. We talk to ourselves more than we talk to anyone else, yet we rarely question the impact of this inner dialogue. This inner speech quietly influences how we feel, what we believe, the choices we make, and the reality we attract. Your life is not shaped by the world outside, but by the conversations happening inside. Old conversations keep life repeating. Have you ever felt like your life is repeating itself? Same struggles, same patterns, same results. It's because the inner conversation didn't change. Old inner speech equals old life. New inner speech equals new life. You cannot create a new reality while speaking the same old story within. As within, so without. The mirror principle. Life mirrors your dominant inner state. Think in fear, attract fearful experiences. Think from love, attract loving experiences. Think from abundance, opportunities appear. The universe responds not to what you want, but to what you consistently speak and feel inside. Your internal voice is the frequency you broadcast. Your reality is the echo that returns. How negative inner talk creates negative outcomes. Most people don't realize how often they speak against themselves. I'm not good enough. Things never work out for me. I always struggle. I don't deserve better. These sentences aren't innocent. They are commands, instructions, seeds, and life grows whatever seeds you plant. Negative inner talk creates negative outcomes. Positive, aligned inner talk creates aligned outcomes. It's simple, it's powerful, and it's happening every moment. Here's the real key. To manifest your desire, you must speak from the version of you who already has it. Not, I hope, not, I want, but I am, I have, it is done. When your inner voice feels like the fulfilled version of you, reality has no choice but to catch up. Imagination plus inner speech equals creation. Imagination is not fantasy, it is the workshop of creation. When you imagine a scene vividly, your inner voice shifts automatically. You begin thinking, feeling, and speaking from the new state. And that state, not your effort, is what manifests your future. Imagination plus inner speech is the formula behind every transformation. Why resistance shows up. When you try to adopt a new self-talk pattern, you may feel resistance. This doesn't feel true. I can't imagine myself that way. This is too big for me. This resistance is not failure. It is a signal. It points directly to the old beliefs that must be released and replaced. Resistance reveals the exact place where transformation is required. Mental diet. What you feed your mind matters. Just like your body reflects your food, your reality reflects your mental diet. Feed your mind anxiety, comparison, self-doubt, and life will mirror it back. Feed your mind gratitude, confidence, love, assurance, and life will turn in your favor. Your mental diet is not optional. It is destiny. A practical 5-minute exercise. Life-changing. Tonight, before you fall asleep, 1. Close your eyes. 2. Imagine one scene from your desired life. 3. Hear what the future you would say. 4. Repeat those words internally.
This is not fake. You're teaching your subconscious a new language, a new identity, a new destiny. Consistency is magic. Repetition is manifestation.
Your inner voice is not background noise. It is the architect of your future. Your thoughts are seeds. Your words are commands. Your imagination is the blueprint. Your inner speech is the construction. Change your inner conversation today, and your outer world must change tomorrow. You are not a passive observer. You are the creator, and your internal dialogue is the power that shapes your universe. Choose your words intentionally. Speak from your desired state, and watch your life align with the reality you once only dreamed about.